G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. Today we're in the Christmas theme, as you can probably tell by my little hat. We're doing the non-alcoholic distilled Christmas punch. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is to grab a jug or a punch bowl. We're just using a jug today. Large cup of ice. Load in. Grab a pear, pine and pash juice. We're going to put about 500 mils into the jug. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. 250 mils of dry ginger ale. And 250 mils of lemonade. A handful of chopped strawberries. And a handful of mint. So just give it a clap. Grab your bar spoon, just give it a quick little mix. And to serve, we've just got our Christmas themed cups today. Grab those. And pour away. Extra high tide. Enjoy.